Hi guys, so to get started on this week's design, as you can see I'm using a stencil near the bottom of my nail and then painting the tip in blue. Next up, I'm going to use a black and a white striper and I'm going to freehand the lines you can see on my nails here. So we're going to start with black in the centre. I'm going to do white on either side of this black line and then go back to the black. Next, for some detailing, we're going to move in with a dotting tool and black, and as you can see we're putting some dots along the centre line. On the bottom of the smile line there you can see we've used a scattered holographic glitter. Lastly, using a little bit of top coat, we're going to apply this crystal onto the nail here.